Well, it's super windy out, so I'm not sure how good the audio is going to be. We have tint on this window, and we got pulled over yesterday for it, so I have to try and get it off. I made a little hole in one of the bubbles. I'm going to put an air hose in there and see if it lifts it off with using compressed air. I've never tried this before. All right, I've seen something like this with vinyl. I don't know if it works for tint, so I thought I'd try it and see what happens here. Oh, wow. That works awesome. Wow, that just took it right off, didn't it? That's cool. May go up a little more. I think I'll be able to get this all off in one piece. This is awesome. We lost our seal somewhere. Well, definitely left behind a residue. But yeah, compressed air definitely made it easier to get off. Awesome. Just had to clean that. We'll be in good shape. Came off pretty easy. Wherever the bubble came off at, it really didn't have any residue left. But where I had to peel it from, it is leaving a residue that I have to get off with the razor blade here. So it's taking a little bit of time to clean it up. Hopefully I can do the same thing on the other side. The other side doesn't have any bubbles in it, but I'm going to make a hole in the middle and see if I can't get it to do the same thing. Alright, I'm going to make a hole in the middle. I'm going to make a hole right in the middle with the razor. See if I can do the same thing with the air. Oh, there it goes. Awesome. It's working. Oh, wow. I'm gonna spray some liquid in there. See if that helps release it any. Oh. Pretty good. Most of the sticky came off with it. I'm gonna yeah, compressed air will take it off. I seen it done with vinyl, so I didn't know if it would work with tint. It definitely did. So using the compressed air got rid of the majority of the glue. There's definitely some spots where I still got to scrape it off, but most of it doesn't have any glue residue on it. That worked really, really good. Seems like the glue is more where I had to peel it off by hand, and where the air came off, it seemed like it took the glue with the plastic or with the tint. This glue, a combination of brake cleaner and a razor blade, is about the only way I can get it off. My fingers are like super sticky. So it's coming off, but it's not fun.